How to save the drafts of your TikTok in your gallery without any watermarks. So let's see in this video. First of all, open up your TikTok. After that, tap on the profile icon and tap on the draft. Then select the draft that you want to save. After that, tap on the next and here preview the video. Here in the right upper corner you can see the square like option. Tap on that. After tapping that, you can see it is clear. Now at this time you have to screen record the video and save to your gallery. After saving it, go back to the home page and open up the CapCut app. In the CapCut, tap on the new project and select the video that you have screen recorded. After that, you can adjust the video as shown here so that the logo and all the options are eradicated. So from here you can see the video. It is watermark free and clear also. After that, you can export the video to your gallery. So in this way you can save the draft of your TikTok in your gallery without any watermark. So I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos. Hope to see you in the next video.